In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide toolbar in FigJam. If you're looking for a clean, distraction-free canvas for brainstorming, presenting, or taking tidy screenshots, this quick trick will make your workspace feel a lot more spacious without changing anything about your file. To get started, open your FigJam board in your browser or desktop app. Any board will do. Once you're in, give the canvas a second to load so you can see the standard interface, the toolbar across the top, and other controls around the edges. What we're going to do is temporarily hide that interface so you can focus entirely on your content. Now, move your cursor over an empty part of the canvas. This is important because the option we need appears in the context menu for the canvas itself, and it may not show up if you right-click directly on a sticky note, shape, or widget. If you're currently focused on an object, just click once on any blank area to deselect it. Right-click on the blank canvas to open the context menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Show/Hide UI. Click it once. Instantly, the toolbar and most of the on-screen controls will disappear, leaving you with a clean, full view of your board. Your content stays exactly the same. You're simply hiding the interface elements on your screen. This is great for collaboration sessions where you want participants to focus on the ideas rather than the tools, or when you're capturing screenshots and want to avoid extra visual clutter. If you need to bring the interface back, repeat the same action. Right-click on the canvas again and choose Show/Hide UI once more. It's a toggle, so the UI comes back exactly as it was. Remember, this only affects your personal view. It doesn't hide the toolbar for anyone else in the file, and it doesn't change permissions or content in any way. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're right-clicking on empty space if you don't see the option immediately, and give the canvas a quick click to clear any selection before you try again. Also, if you're presenting or sharing your screen, hiding the UI can make your walkthrough look cleaner and more professional, and you can toggle it back on the moment you need to demonstrate a specific tool. That's all there is to it. Open your board, right-click on empty canvas, and use Show/Hide UI to toggle the toolbar and controls on or off. Simple, fast, and perfect for a clutter-free FigJam experience.